Lesson 4, Padlet for Teaching and Learning. Welcome you all to this session where we are going to see how to engage learners into a collaborative activity using education mobile app known as Padlet. Before we proceed, here is the reflection spot for you. Please pause this video to respond to the following question. Apart from Padlet, name 2 apps used for collaborating learners in any online environment. Yeah, well, majority might have written apps like Google Doc, Google Hangout, or Google Meet, Workspace, Flipgrid, Skype is the popular one. Thank you all. Our session's objective is that by the end of the lesson, you'll be able to explore Padlet features in teaching learning. As well, you can create a Padlet account and prepare any activities related to your subject, as well as you can share that activity with your student for them to collaborate. Before we proceed, Padlet is just an online virtual bulletin board where students and teachers can collaborate, reflect, or they can share links and pictures in a secure location. So the Padlet allow Padlet creators to moderate the posts, where they can remove posts, they can manage the boards 24/7. They can manage the board 24/7. Then, before we create, still there are a number of ways in which Padlet can be used in teaching and learning. Therefore, the following are some of them. That as a teacher, we can use Padlet to collaborate on a project or an idea. Sometimes we can even get reflection from students. We can receive reflection from students. It can also offer a classroom discussion, or we can collect some feedback about a certain event. Also, one can use Padlet for live questioning, for live questioning in a normal school or in a traditional school. It can also be used for note-taking, gather student work. Funny, it can be an ice break activity from student. Actually, there are so many ways to use the Padlet. We'll share some of the resources for you. Yeah, in this session, we will show you how to create a free Padlet account and prepare an activities to share with your student or on your training session. Please follow me to see how we can do this. Okay. Welcome to create our Padlet account. It is simple. Remember, we have asked you to download the Padlet app. So from your Padlet app, go straight, open up the Padlet. Okay, after opening up the Padlet, you have been presented with this option on your mobile to log in, to sign up, or to continue as a guest. So it depends on your choice. If you don't have a Padlet account, I said that you have to sign up. But if you have if you have an account, you have to log in. So I have an account, therefore I log in. Okay, after logging in, I choose my account. So I'm going to use my Google account. Therefore, I click here. It rolls. It depends on the internet connectivity, and then I choose this one as my account. Okay, when it opens, yeah, I'll be presented with this kind of a wall. Before we proceed, simple, we can see this plus sign here at the top left hand corner. It's just to start to make up our Padlet. Or down here, you haven't made any Padlet yet, so you can click here, make a Padlet. But remember that a free account gives you option. Look at the top right hand corner there. You can create only 3 Padlet at a time. To create more than 3, you have to upgrade the account. As you remember, we have said that apps are free, but if you need to get more, you have to pay. So therefore, let us create the first Padlet. Let us create our first Padlet. So we go straight to make. Okay. When we go to make, we'll be presented with this kind of different walls of which you choose. So simple, it is wall, canvas, stream, so many walls. You'll read this at your own time, and then you can understand which wall to use. So for us here, we select this one. Okay, so here we are ready now to make our Padlet. So this is if you like the Padlet, or you want to remake a Padlet, you want to get some information, you want to get it to make a broadcast, all this, or you want to copy, you want to make a QR code of the Padlet, you have to embed. All these are different kind or different features which you need to use them. These are the menu of different things you want to use them. Okay, after having seen this feature, we need to make our Padlet. Okay, down here it is a plus sign, we'll talk later. So we go here to gear like button, the gear like icon, to start creating our Padlet. Okay, in this area we are going to choose to select our wall. As you have said that we need to as we have said that we need to explore this Padlet features. We need to explore the Padlet feature, and this is what we are doing. Okay, here in the title, you'll write the subject of your choice. In the description here, you'll write your question. Okay, in the address, this address is the link you are going to share with the student to write. It's the link you are going to share with your student to write. Okay, here is the wallpaper. You are going to choose a kind of wallpaper you want your Padlet to have. A color scheme, a font size, you can see here, attributions, you can see. So you can allow this or this allow. For example, if you want to send to comment the Padlet of the others, you can also allow this comment as many as you can. So for the case of this Padlet of ours here, let us go to this to select a wall. Okay, to select a wall, I select, let's say, text here, but you can select whatever. So I'll be presented with the varieties of wall. So to me, let us select this brick. Okay, selecting brick. Then we go back. Okay, we have selected our wall yet. After selecting the wall, then we go straight to write our question. We go straight to our question. Remember, our topic was from 3 structure of the earth. Therefore, I will write here structure of the earth. Structure of the earth. Structure of the earth. Okay. In the description here, I will write my question, a question I want the student to discuss. So here I will write what causes the mantle to flow. What causes the mantle to flow? Okay, I'll add it. So because this will be seen by every student who participates in this assignment, here I say don't copy friend's post. Don't copy friend's post. Okay, after writing this, then I can save. Then the wall is ready to be shared to the student. So if I want to share to my student, again, it's very simple. I come to this here little button, and then I copy this address. I'll copy this address. Okay, so I can take this address either in whatever platform I want my student to share. For this case, I take this link to WhatsApp. They'll choose my class, which class I want for them to work on. Let's say Kongwe Form 3 student. Okay, so Form 3 here is Form 3. Then I paste it here. So this Padlet is ready to be used. So a student will just click here and they can respond. So how to respond? You can just click this plus sign. Okay, it will depend on the instruction given by the teacher. So if you don't have account, we suggest someone to write here in the title, to write his name, and here you can write answers for the question. Write answers for the question. Question it was about what causes mantle to flow. So I can say it is due to whatever I want to tell. You can add links, for example here. This one, you can add links. This one, you can allow Padlet to access your photos. So here don't allow. Okay, again here you can allow Padlet to search for a certain web. Okay, this one you can allow to take photos as many as possible. So then you click post. Okay, that's it. So as many students who are going to respond, this Padlet wall will show different responses of the student. Thank you very much. Hope to meet you in the next lesson, where we are going to see a Google Classroom. So this so-called Google Classroom, we term it as put it all together. When we say put it all together, we mean that the activities you have done in a Google form quiz and this discussion forum of the Padlet, as well as other learning material or teaching resources, will be put together in a single app and shared to students, where everything will be found just within a single app. So till next lesson, thank you very much.